Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your physical Hsbc debit card, the account number on statements, and photo ID. Once ready, choose an activation channel: ATM, phone, Hsbc mobile app, or online banking, and pick the one you trust. Make sure to use a private, secure network. Public Wi-Fi can expose credentials. Insert the card at an ATM or open the Hsbc app to the cards section. Follow the on-screen prompts to start activation. These initial steps authenticate you and link the card to your account. You now handle verification, which proves card ownership and prevents fraud. At an ATM or in the app, enter your existing PIN or the one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once done, the system cross-checks your identity with information like date of birth or the last four of your SSN. Make sure to answer security questions accurately. If prompted, create a new 4-digit PIN. Pick numbers you can remember but that aren't easily guessed. After verification, the bank authorizes the card and links it to online services. You finish by confirming the card shows as active in the app or online banking, then test it with a small contactless purchase or ATM withdrawal to ensure transactions process. If activation fails, don't panic. Restart the chosen method, confirm your details, and retry after 10-15 minutes. If problems persist, call Hsbc support and provide the error message, time, and any reference number. This helps agents resolve issues faster. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or try a different phone before calling support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.